Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and low miles. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, leather seats, steering wheel controls, MP3. With these ratings, you are going to love 2012 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.